In this video, I'll show you how to set up workflows in Jira. First, open Jira and log in to your Atlassian account. Before you start, make sure you have the right permissions. In most cases, you need Jira admin or project admin access to create, edit, or publish workflows. A workflow in Jira controls how an issue moves through different stages. For example, a basic workflow might include to do, in progress, in review, and done. These statuses help your team understand exactly where each task, bug, or story stands. To begin, open your Jira project and go to Project Settings. From there, look for Workflows. Depending on your Jira setup, you may also find Workflow settings under Issue Types, Work Items, or the main Jira administration area. Next, choose the workflow you want to edit. If your team is already using it, it is usually safer to copy the workflow first and edit the copy. This helps you avoid changing an active process by mistake. Inside the workflow editor, you will see statuses and transitions. A status is the current stage of the issue, such as open, review, or done. A transition is the action that moves the issue from one status to another. Now add or adjust the statuses your team needs. For a simple workflow, you can use backlog, to do, in progress, testing, and done. Try to keep the workflow clear and not too complicated, especially if your team is just starting. After that, create transitions between the statuses. For example, an issue can move from to do to in progress, then from in progress to testing, and finally from testing to done. You can also add rules, conditions, validators, or post functions if needed. For example, you can require a comment before closing an issue or automatically assign a ticket when it moves to a specific status. Once everything looks correct, publish the workflow and apply it to the right issue types. That's it. Your Jira workflow is now set up and ready to help your team manage work more clearly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.